CompTIA A+ network ports. Network ports are logical communication endpoints that help direct data to the correct application or service. Here's a breakdown of the essential ports you need to know for CompTIA A+. Common protocol ports. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Port 20. FTP Data Transfer. Port 21. FTP Control/Commands. Used for uploading and downloading files to, from servers. SSH, Secure Shell. Port 22 Encrypted Remote Access to Systems. Secure alternative to Telnet. Also used for SFTP, Secure FTP. Telnet. Port 23. Unencrypted Remote Access. Insecure, rarely used today. Sends credentials in plain text. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Port 25, sending outgoing email. Server-to-server email transfer. DNS, Domain Name System. Port 53, translates domain names to IP addresses. Uses both TCP and UDP. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Port 80, unencrypted web traffic. Standard website browsing. POP3, Post Office Protocol v3. Port 110, receiving, downloading email. Downloads messages to local device. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. Port 143, email retrieval that keeps messages on server. Allows multiple device access. HTTPS, HTTP Secure. Port 443, encrypted web traffic using SSL/TLS. Secure websites and online transactions. SMB, server message block. Port 445, Windows file and printer sharing. Network resource access. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. Port 3389, Windows Remote Desktop Connections. Graphical remote access to Windows machines. Additional important ports, NetBIOS/NetBT, ports 137 to 139. Legacy Windows networking, name resolution, and file sharing. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, port 389. Directory services like Active Directory, port 636 for LDAP-PS. Secure. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, port 67/68. Automatic IP address assignment, 67 for server, 68 for client.